Creative and unique wood furniture designs and decor ideas you've never seen before. At the heart of it all is the simple, profound truth: wood is alive. It breathes. It reacts to temperature and humidity. It ages with grace. It absorbs oils from your hands, sunlight from your windows, and stories from your life. No two pieces are exactly alike. That's why unique wooden furniture resonates so deeply. It evolves alongside us, carrying the patina of time while still anchoring us in the moment. Get ready to explore wood like you've never seen it before. In the world of interior design, few materials evoke the same sense of warmth, history, and timeless elegance as wood. Yet when wood is used not just functionally, but artfully, it becomes more than just a component of furniture. It becomes a story, a sculpture, and sometimes even a soul within a space. This is especially true when creative minds push the boundaries of traditional design to craft unique wooden furniture and decor that sparks imagination and transforms ordinary rooms into living works of art. Wood, in its raw form, already holds an inherent beauty, its grain patterns, colors, and textures shaped by time, climate, and the tree's own journey through nature. What happens when designers and artisans take that beauty and amplify it through inventive craftsmanship? You get furniture that is not only stunning and functional, but also unforgettable. In this video, we explore creative and unique wood furniture designs and decor ideas that breathe new life into interiors, telling stories through form, finish, and the harmony of natural materials. The organic trend in wood furniture is largely inspired by nature itself. Designers often look to natural shapes, tree branches, roots, stones, and landscapes as the muse for form and function. You'll find shelving units that climb up the wall like vines, or light fixtures carved from driftwood that look like illuminated roots hanging from the ceiling. This approach invites certain serenity into the room, aligning our modern spaces with the calming principles of nature and basophilic design. One of the most popular techniques in contemporary wood decor is the integration of live-edge wood. Instead of cutting or shaping the wood into strict rectangular forms, the artisan preserves the natural edge of the slab, including knots, waves, or bark contours. A live-edge dining table, for instance, retains the organic perimeter of the tree it came from, transforming a functional surface into a tribute to the tree's former life. The result is a bold yet earthy statement piece that commands attention while remaining inviting and grounded. Pairing wood with epoxy resin has also created a revolution in modern furniture aesthetics. Deep blue, emerald green, or translucent clear resin flows through cracks or carved channels in the wood, forming what looks like rivers, oceans, or glassy lakes embedded within the furniture. These pieces often blend futuristic beauty with nature's rawness, producing a fascinating contrast. A wood and resin river table, for example, can become the dazzling centerpiece of a room, offering a unique combination of wildness and precision, imperfection and polish. Another element that contributes to the uniqueness of today's wood furniture is the use of reclaimed and salvaged wood. This trend not only supports sustainability, but also adds layers of character to a space. Old barn wood, sun-bleached driftwood, or even wooden beams from demolished factories are now reborn as stylish consoles, floating shelves, or headboards. The wood may bear weather marks, insect trails, or nail holes, flaws that are celebrated rather than hidden. Each imperfection becomes a badge of authenticity, telling the story of where the wood has been and how it's been reborn. For those who appreciate compact yet expressive design, there are a growing number of multifunctional and modular wooden furniture pieces. Picture a wooden coffee table that transforms into a work desk, or a storage bench made of interlocking puzzle-like components that can be rearranged for different uses. These pieces are not only clever in function, but beautiful in execution, often crafted with seamless joints, elegant finishes, and eco-conscious materials that feel both modern and timeless. When it comes to wood wall decor, creativity soars. Wall-mounted art panels made of carved or layered wood offer stunning focal points. Some designs use contrasting tones, walnut and maple, for instance, to create geometric shapes or three-dimensional optical illusions. Others are inspired by landscapes or the cosmos, carving wood into waveforms, constellations, or abstract mountain silhouettes. Wood wall art brings texture and depth that canvas or metal rarely achieve, and it also warms up the atmosphere with its natural presence. Color is also playing a greater role in modern wooden furniture design. While natural tones will never go out of style, some artisans are experimenting with staining and painting wood in creative ways, like ombre fades, bold contrasting hues, or charred shosuji band finishes. This adds yet another layer of visual intrigue, allowing homeowners to incorporate wood furniture into both neutral and colorful decor schemes. And let's not forget about customization, which is becoming increasingly accessible. Many makers now offer fully customizable wood furniture where clients can choose dimensions, finishes, edge profiles, or even inlays. Want a coffee table with a hidden drawer for remotes, or an inscription carved into the underside of your bookshelf? No problem. These personalized touches make the furniture not just a product, but a personal treasure. At Kuki Decor, we are constantly inspired by the limitless possibilities of wood. Each curve, knot, or imperfection is a new opportunity for design, a new chance to bring warmth and originality into a space. Whether you're a minimalist craving subtle organic elements or a maximalist seeking bold, artistic centerpieces, there's something in the world of unique wood furniture for everyone. In today's world of fast furniture and disposable design, these creative and original wood pieces stand as a testament to patience, craftsmanship, and individuality. They are not mass-produced, they are made with intention. They don't follow trends, they become them. And most importantly, they invite you to slow down and connect with the spaces you inhabit. So if you're thinking of refreshing your home, or simply exploring ways to incorporate meaningful design into your life, look no further than unique wood furniture and decor. Let these pieces ground your style, spark your imagination, and remind you of the raw beauty that only nature, shaped by human hands, can offer. At Kuki Decor, we believe that every space deserves a story, and these one-of-a-kind wood creations tell stories of nature, skill, and innovation. Whether you're decorating a new home, or simply looking for your next DIY inspiration, these ideas prove that wood isn't just a material, it's a medium for magic. Thanks for watching. If you love these creative and unique wood furniture designs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more inspiring decor ideas every week. Let us know in the comments which piece sparked your imagination, or share your own woodcraft creations. Until next time, keep creating and keep decorating with heart.